What you are seeing on your screen right now is a screenshot of money that I received from doing affiliate marketing. All right. I know you must have heard about affiliate marketing. You must have heard people saying affiliate marketing brings you money and all of that. I just want to show you the possibility of what you can achieve if you learn this skill called affiliate marketing. There are lots of proofs that I can show you to let you know that this is a skill that can help you make money for yourself. That is why in today's video, I want to share with you how you can make your first $500 from affiliate marketing, especially if you're somebody who you have been thinking of how to earn extra income, or you're an affiliate and you've been trying and you've not made your first sale. Then this is a video you should watch to the end. I just want to walk you through some of the important steps that you need to know when it comes to making money from affiliate marketing. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Awajima Misioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you things you can do that can help you to make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get into the video, kindly do me a favor, just like this video, make sure to subscribe and make sure to turn on your notification bell. When you do that, it helps you to get notified whenever I post new videos. All right, having said that, let's get straight into the video. Let me show you how you can make your first $500 from affiliate marketing. Now, the first step is that you need to pick a niche. You need to pick a niche. You need to choose an area. So one of the mistakes of affiliates or beginners in affiliate marketing is that they are all over the place. They are picking this product today, tomorrow they are picking the other product, next tomorrow they are on another product. You need to really pick a niche, a particular niche that people will know you for. Pick an area that people will know you for and then concentrate on it. You can pick something in the area of tech, you can pick something in the area of health, you can pick something in the area of make money online, that is finance. You can pick something in the area of food or travel. Are you getting now? So you need to understand that the very first step is to pick an area. That's number one. Number two is that you need to join an affiliate program. Of course, you know that there's no way you can become an affiliate if you don't join an affiliate program. There are different affiliate programs that you can join. You are seeing Amazon here. There's ClickBank. There is Impact. In Nigeria here, there is Expartner. There is Digistem. There is Takeout. There is PromptN. There is Seller. Are you seeing now? So there are different ways for you, different platforms that you can join. You just need to pick one platform that has the kind of product you are looking for. Pick one of the platform, join them, sign up. Some of these platforms might require you to pay money for membership or pay money to access the site. So you need to just join an affiliate program. If you need an affiliate program, maybe you are a beginner and you don't know which one to join, my recommendation is that you can join Takeout. And I'm going to show you how this Takeout platform looks like. Make sure that you stick around to the end. I'll show you how the platform looks like and how you can even pick a product that can make you your first $500. I'll show you all those things in practical. All right, but let's just finish up with these steps. So that's step number two. Step number three is that you need to start creating content. For instance, maybe you pick a topic around travel. You know that a lot of Nigerians want to japa, so you can start talking about travels. So when you talk about travels, you talk about it using your blog, you talk about it on your YouTube, talk about it on your TikTok, talk about it on your WhatsApp status. You are just beginning to build momentum. So the more you say, the more you talk about it, the more people get to notice that you're talking about something. And then people can now get attracted to you. You can now use that to attract your audience, people that are really interested in what you are doing. Are you seeing the value of picking a niche and sticking to an area? So you must create content. So that's number 2 or number 3. The next step is that you need to drive traffic. You need to drive traffic. So you are not just creating content, you need to find a way to attract people to your product that you are promoting. One of the ways to do that is what we have talked about, creating content online. And then the second way to do that, which is what gives you the fastest result, is for you to run paid adverts. So one mistake that beginners make is that they are just concentrating on just posting content online. That is good, but it is going to be slow. It's a very slow way to get your sales, because you keep talking and talking and talking and expecting people to buy. But if you run adverts, when you run adverts, you get quick results. Are you getting now? You get quick results. So you need to drive a lot of traffic. The more traffic, the more people that are seeing you, the more likely you will make more sales. So this is just the basic secret that those who are succeeding are using, that most beginners don't know. If you are struggling to make sale, it's because you don't have a lot of people seeing the product that you are promoting. For instance, a typical example is on your status, you are always posting stuffs, whatever you are selling, and you just have your family and friends, or maybe 50 people viewing your status. The amount of product you will sell will be small compared to somebody who has 1,000 views. Are you getting it now? So you need to understand that it is not just about having a product or promoting a product. You must be able to grow your viewership. You must be able to run adverts and attract a lot of traffic to the product that you are promoting. You get that now? So that is the next step. Let's go to the next step. You need to optimize and scale. When you start getting a lot of traffic, you will notice that you'll be getting 1 or 2 sales, 3 sales, 4 sales, 10 sales. Now, where you need to be very, very wise, where you need to be very smart, is that those money you are making, you need to scale up. You need to reinvest it into the business. Some people will make the money and they'll go and spend. They will go and be buying things. You don't need to do that. You want to be able to scale the business. So what do? You are going to strategically reinvest back into the business. Are you getting? So in case you get your first sale, after watching this video, you get your first sale, what you need to do is to reinvest that money back into adverts. Are you getting now? So this is how you can scale and make your first $500. Now, let me take you to Stakeout, where you can actually see, I want to show you real products and how you can pick those products and start pushing it so that you can get your first $500 from affiliate marketing. So I'll take you to my Google Chrome. And then we are going to just look at Stakeout. So just follow me now. Follow me. We are going to Stakeout now. So this is Stakeout. We are going to Stakeout. So I'm just going to, now why am I showing you this Stakeout? I'm showing you this because this is the easiest platform you can join. This one is free to join. I don't know about now, but it is free to join. As at when I joined, it was free to join. So they have a marketplace. They have different products that you can sell, that you can promote on the platform. All right. And it's easy to use. So let's just, I think my network has an issue. So my Stakeout, I need to log in. Let me just log in. Let me log in. So once we log in, I'm going to show you how you can pick the product that you want. Because for you to be able to make your first $500, you need to understand the kind of product you need to pick, because that also is another determining factor that will help you make your money very fast. One of the mistakes that beginners make is that they don't know how to pick the right product. So this is Stakeout. I will just go to the marketplace, and then let me go to marketplace. If you're getting value from this, please just like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell. All right, so this is a list of different products that you have. For you to be able to make your $500, your first $500, you need to be very, very smart about the kind of product you want to pick. Now, for instance, let's say I want to pick a product. My goal is for me to be able to make my first $500. So what do I do? What kind of product do I pick? I'm going to pick a product that will give me at least a profit of $10. Are you getting now? We are looking at how we are going to make $500. So I'm going to pick a product that will give me at least a profit of $10. If you're watching from Nigeria, I'm going to pick a product that will give me a profit of at least 10,000 naira per sale. Are you getting now? So how do I make my $500? How many numbers will I have to sell if I'm picking a product that will give me a commission and a profit of $10 or a profit of 10,000? So I'll have to do some mathematics here. Go to your calculator, calculate 500 divided by 10. Are you getting now? 500 divided by 10. So you are going to know the number of people or the number of times you need to sell that product to be able to raise up to $500. Can you see the mathematics now? So you need to be able to plan properly. If I want to do this very fast, I'll go and look for products that are $100. Let me look for it. Let's see. Let's just scroll and see if there are products that have higher commissions. Most of the commissions here that are suitable will be 50% commission. All right, but I'm looking for a product that is a top-notch product. Like for instance, now this is an example. This is crypto profit kit. How much is the product? $165. This is huge. All right, and the commission is $50. If I pick this product now, I should be able to sell this product at least 5 times or 10 times for me to get my first $500. That means this is not a product that you pick and you now be posting on your status. No, this is a product that you need to run adverts to get real serious paying clients. Are you getting it now? This is a faster way for you to raise your $500 if you don't want to be posting too much online. But if you have the time, you can now pick a product that is less than this if you are afraid of selling. But if you are somebody that is smart enough and you want to get your results very fast, you need to pick products that have high commission, high profits, and high price. Are you getting it now? So this is the magic that a lot of people do to make their money very fast. Is it easy? No, it's not easy. But can you do it? Yes, you can do it if you follow the right strategy. So that is where I'm going to stop in this video. This is how you can raise your first $500 from affiliate marketing. I believe that you have gotten value from this video. If you want to learn more about the real step-by-step process of how you can actually start doing this and making money for yourself, then go to the link in the description. I have dropped a link to the entire step-by-step process, an affiliate program that will teach you everything. All right, go to the link in the description and click that link, and it will take you to where you're going to learn more about this business. That is all for now. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please like and make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification bell. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.